Oh my God, she is crying. यहाँ कैमरा में देखिए आपके साथ एक छोटा सा प्रैंक हुआ.
Hi guys, I'm Vishnu Priya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you all read by the title, today we'll be doing Guess the Chocolate Challenge, in which one of us will be blindfolded and the other one have to feed them chocolate and they have to guess what is the chocolate and all and all and all. And he's my brother. And would you like to introduce yourself?
No, that's fine. Everybody knows me.
No, nobody knows you.
Yeah, your friends don't know me, but the rest of the world know me, so no need of introduction.
Let's do stone, paper, scissors and then we'll decide who will go first. Or else if you want to go first, then you can.
That's okay, we'll do stone, paper, scissors.
Okay, fine. 3 times.
Okay.
Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors.
1.
Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors.
Yeah! You'll go first.
Okay, fine. I'll go first.
Okay, I have come prepared. So, this is the first chocolate we're gonna go with today. I think y'all should guess it. बहुत आसान है ये.
बैठ जा. Stand there. I can guess it by the smell. Is it gems?
You have only one chance.
Okay, fine.
If you can guess without eating, I don't know.
No, I have to eat.
Okay, here you go.
Mm-hmm. 5 star.
Yeah, that's an easy one.
Exactly. So guys, now it's my turn. Are you ready?
Yeah.
ये कितना है?
3.
ये?
7.
Okay, so my first chocolate is
Dairy milk.
no.
Milky bar.
No. You just have one chance, okay? Ready?
Yeah.
What is it?
I know this chocolate.
Okay, fine. Yeah, everybody knows this chocolate. You have to guess it right.
Can I eat one more?
Yeah, of course you can. Chocolate खत्म मत कर देना. कुछ आने से खा रहा.
Kit Kat.
Are you sure?
Galaxy.
Are you sure? You answered twice.
Okay, I'll go with Galaxy.
100%? Lock कर दे. Last, yeah. And also, guys, we have a punishment at the end of this everything. That is, दोनों में से किसी एक की कोई भी एक बात और कोई भी एक wish complete करनी पड़ेगी. So it can be anything. Now it's my turn. 1-0.
Okay, it's 1-0.
Yeah, it's 1-0. How come you can guess an Oreo or Galaxy, yaar?
I'm very bad at chocolates, you know that. Okay, this is our second chocolate. Let's see what you got first. Really easy, but guessing the flavor is tough in this one. You can get the chocolate, but you cannot get the flavor, I hope.
If it's flavor, then it's definitely going to be Dairy Milk or something like that.
Here you go.
Dairy Milk, but wait, I don't know.
You have to get the flavor, or else you are gone. Yes, no use. You will have only one chance.
This can be caramel. Dairy Milk में caramel flavor है क्या?
I don't know that. You tell me.
I'll go with Dairy Milk Silk.
We'll go Dairy Milk Silk. Sure?
Yeah.
That's a normal Dairy Milk. Not just bigger one. Not even a silk, not even a caramel, nothing.
That's actually melted.
Normal Dairy Milk Nothing. One.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
This is actually a pretty easy one, so you should definitely guess this.
I think I know what that is with the sound that you're opening.
I knew that. No, you can't guess this with the sound. Okay. No, I'm changing the chocolate.
No, that's not. This is not fair.
No, because I'm not like able to open this. So okay.
How long? How long?
Yeah. Have it.
I knew that. It's Kinder Joy.
I told you it was pretty easy actually.
I told you with the sound I'm opening here.
Chocolate in Himala, so I have to go get this.
Yeah, it's lockdown right now, so we can't get many chocolates. Okay, come on. Okay, ready? Yes. Hey, one each. The points are one each. Okay.
Yeah.
My next chocolate is gonna be this one. Yeah. It's a complicated chocolate.
I don't like complicated chocolates.
Ready?
Yeah. Ah. Oh god. It can be Kit Kat, it can be Perk, it can be Munch. No, Munch is not there. Okay. So,
What's your final answer?
this don't even taste like Kit Kat, but. Bro.
Kit Kat also has flavors. You know that, no?
Is it Perk or Kit Kat? I'm not sure. Give me one more.
No.
Please. Oh.
Okay. I thought you were asking for a clue.
No.
Here you go.
Don't be so confident. No, English.
Yeah, sure. All the best.
Kit Kat. Kit Kat. You said you didn't want Munch.
So.
Guys, सुबह ही बात हुई थी. सुबह बोला तो Munch नहीं लाया. ये cheating है.
Wait, what if it's she's been asking morning like that what chocolates you have bought? You have bought Munch. So what should I say? Should I say yes? Then she will be guessing like one of the chocolates will be Munch. Obviously, that's not my issue. That's not my concern. I searched it for this Munch that whole
आज सुबह
area.
बात की थी and you said he said that Munch is not in the trend. It's not even available.
I never told that I didn't brought. I told it's not available. It's not in the trend. It's hard to get.
Fine. Okay.
And Kit Kat. At least you should have guessed Perk.
No, actually
I would have
thought
considered Perk. Kit
I
Kat.
thought it's like thin, but then. Okay.
You're fake chocolate lover. No one, everyone was Kit Kat. Come on. Next.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, ready. 5 star.
Exactly.
I still got 2 chocolates. So guys, this is the next chocolate that I have got. Yeah, I'm sure she'll be guessing wrong. Not because she knows that she'll be guessing this chocolate by overconfident. I can sense that now. She after tasting this, she'll be like overconfident and she's gonna guess that wrong. Here you go. Yeah, come on.
I want to say Polo, but
You have only one chance. You can say Polo. That's not my concern. It could be Polo, but it could be something else also. There are many types of.
no. But in this shape, I only know Polo.
You will know. No, there's a famous chocolate also in this shape. If I tell that name, you will be like, oh yeah, this chocolate. Is this chocolate still coming out?
Give me a hint then.
It's like Polo.
What the heck?
Yeah, don't say me that. It could be Polo also. I am not giving any hints or any guesses. It's only your chance. One guess.
It's definitely Polo because it tastes like it.
Final answer? Sure?
Yeah.
Oh, Vishnu. But you got that right. I was just confusing you.
Oh, thank God. I was like, no, bro, it's Polo. It's gonna be Polo.
I think the last chocolate you are not gonna guess mine. So if I guess this, there's a 99% chance that I'm gonna win this. Because I have saved my last chocolate. That is very hard to guess.
Win.
Not hard exactly, but a bit tricky. Where's the chocolate?
Wait for 2 seconds. Here.
What the hell is this?
You know this. You know this. Come on. You eat it all the time.
I don't eat this chocolate.
You eat this. I bought it from Shiva Bhaiya.
Give me another one.
Of course.
Give me just only one. This is that Inji chocolate.
What is
Ginger chocolate.
You have one chance to guess. Just one. I have never had this before, but you have. I have seen you.
I don't know this.
Fine, open your blind. It's Tic Tac. Yo,
Okay, it's two each. Okay, last chance.
I guessed 3 of your chocolates.
2
Fine.
Polo and
Okay.
That
And you to guess.
person.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the last one to decide who wins this round or wins this challenge.
okay, this is my chance.
Yeah.
This is my final chocolate. So
Fine. You're so confident about it.
no, I'm not. I'm confident about you not guessing. I'm not confident about me guessing your chocolate.
I'm saying that.
Okay, so this is my final chocolate. So you can see the flavor right here.
सारे चॉकलेट्स का फ्लेवर ऐसे मिक्स हो गया ना मेरे मुंह में पता नहीं कैसा कोई फ्लेवर आ रहा है मेरे को I can't even guess it now.
Okay, here you go.
This is not that good.
Just got one chance.
I think it's Snickers. Give me one.
Oh, you want one more? Okay, sure.
Snickers have more peanuts, I guess, but you didn't. I have no idea, but still I'll go with Snickers. Maybe I have not have it. I have never had it before.
Yeah, Snickers are there is in Snickers there are also 3 flavors.
You want me to get the flavor?
Yeah, of course. There's a normal Snicker. Everyone knows that. Other than that, there are 3 flavors.
This is definitely Snickers, but I don't know what the flavor is. I have never
You can
had
open
this
it.
flavor before.
This is Snickers almond, not normal.
See,
one.
I have never had this before.
This is not normal one. Normal one is black in color. You have seen that.
Yeah,
Snickers.
yeah,
This is
obviously.
white almond flavor.
Okay, but it's okay. That's why you went so far, okay?
Yeah. I know you wouldn't guess this.
Forgetting the chocolates, he went like आधे घंटे, 1 घंटे तक पता नहीं कहाँ पे.
I was searching each and
And I
every shop.
got this from घर के पास वाला दुकान. But still I'm in lead, okay?
Yeah, I'm equal. We are equal. Okay.
Okay, equal.
If I guess this chocolate, I'll be winning this round. Okay.
You will probably do, I guess. You have to guess the name, okay?
Okay.
This one.
Ready?
No. Wait. Yeah. I am sure that you will get to know like what this thing is, but you will not know the name properly.
Which I think it's like a Poppins.
I'm already winning.
Give me another one.
Of course you can have. I bought 10 of these. You can't do it. What the heck?
Just touching the shape. So let's find out what's the shape. Can I see the shape of the cover?
No.
Of course I can.
No,
because-
you can't.
No, I'm just confused between like what is this chocolate? It's like a single chocolate or from a bunch like Polo. That's my doubt.
It's not bunch. It's single.
Yeah, just show me the cover.
I said it's single. If I show you the cover, then you'll get to know.
No, I don't. I'll just touch the cover.
I'm giving him so many this thing.
I know this.
I know.
Hey, wait.
That's enough. This is not the rule of the game.
You didn't ask for cover. I would have given you the cover. You never asked for cover, okay?
Before starting this challenge, you were the one who said we should not touch the chocolate.
Yeah. This is that mango chocolate.
You have to name it.
Mm. Yeah, this is. I have been eating this chocolate since I was in. I don't know, some first standard, second standard.
Guess the name then.
Yeah, this is mango something. It's like kacha. Oh no, it's not kacha mango bite. It's mango bite.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. It's mango
Because
bite.
I'll give you a clue. It's not mango bite. It's not bite.
Oh.
The name is something else. We were. Alright. You have to keep it like this. I don't trust you. Don't close it down.
Yeah, it's not visible. You fool.
But then I don't trust you.
Yeah, it's mango bite only. That yellow color cover with the boats and green.
You have to name the chocolate. That's the rule of the game. Come on, you don't have time. We'll start. Tick tick 10.
Mango bite.
Tick tick 9. I told you that that's wrong.
Mango bit.
This is mango juice.
This is not.
This is mango juice.
Well, let's. You can put it in YouTube and ask. This is a fake one. Everyone knows this is a fake one. You want to see the real one? Let me show you. Wait. I'll bring my mobile. I'll show you the real one.
I don't care. I want mango juice.
Wait. I can brought 1,000 chocolates like this with the name you don't even know.
I don't know. That's mango juice only. We
This is
used to
not
call it
mango.
mango bite. I don't know.
This is the original cover.
I don't know. I bought mango juice.
I'll explain you why. Because this chocolate was famous because it was Parle's chocolate. See, you can see this at the cover. There's a Parle's biscuit. That you know Parle-G biscuit. That is the company that manufactured this chocolate. And this is some kind of local China-made mango
So
bite.
what?
So this is what company is this? Remy. What is Remy?
I don't know. But this is mango juice.
But this is the original chocolate. Was this version of Parle's company mango bite. So this is mango juice is full fake.
I don't know,
This
but I
is
won the
fake,
challenge.
not
I won
acceptable.
the challenge. I won the challenge.
I'll give you another one. I have a complimentary chocolate in my pocket right now.
But that
2,000 years later.
This is cheating and all. Already I won. Okay, this is
what
not
he's saying, he have a complimentary chocolate, so I have to eat the chocolate and I have to guess. Then if I guess it right, then I'll win the challenge.
Yeah, of course.
No, that is not fair.
Okay, if you don't guess it right, challenge is draw.
We can't draw the challenge. Fine, we will draw.
Okay.
I'm okay for drawing.
Yeah, put on your blindfold.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
This is a chocolate. See, everyone knows this. Okay, open your mouth.
What the heck? I actually chewed it fully.
Oh my god, she is crying.
Eating up it. Ma!
I won the challenge. That's cheating. You are cheating.
My ಮೊಲಗ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾವರೇ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮೆಂದಿಟ್ಟಿನ நான் ಮೊಲಗ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಮ್ಮ எனக்கு
Amma the moga eduthu kodutha.
ಮೊಲಗ ಕಡಿச்சிட்டಮ್ಮ
Amma the moga eduthu kodutha. Mom only gave it to me. यहाँ कैमरा में देखिए आपके साथ एक छोटा सा प्रैंक हुआ
நான் நேத்து ஒரு hint ஒன்னு கொடுத்தேன். ஒரு படத்துல
मम्मी ने कोई तो भी विद्या बालन की मूवी बताई थी माधुरी दीक्षित की
माधुरी दीक्षित नहीं, तो श्रीदेवी और ऋषि कपूर की
तो श्रीदेवी मुझे क्या पता था श्रीदेवी और ऋषि कपूर की
नागिन की पिक्चर के हिंट देके तेरे को बताई, सारा कुछ खिला खिला के लास्ट में एक पचमल का खिलाएगा करके बताई.
पचमल का मिर्च चिली गाइस.
I told you yesterday itself.
He said he had a compliment.
You should have some IQ.
Anyways, I won the challenge.
I want the challenge.